Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass. Hello, welcome back. Are you ready? Let's learn English together. Look, this is my bag. What's in my bag? Let's see. Oh, there is a pencil. A pencil. There is a pencil. Can you say it? There is a pencil. Wow, there are crayons. There are 2 crayons. 2 crayons. There are 2 crayons. 1, 2. Look, there is a book. A book. There is a book. Do you like books? Oh, there is a toy. Look, a toy. There is a toy. I like this toy. Let's say it again. There is a pencil. There is a book. There is a toy. There are 2 crayons. What's in your bag? Is there a pencil? Is there a toy? Great job! You did amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.